Alright guys, I've got a 6S here. I know you all want to see it go on 6S, so I'm going to put it in before it dies. And 8S Steve's putting his 6S in there as well. So we can have a little competition, see who's faster.
Ready.
Here we go. Alright guys, here we go. Both running 6S. 2, 1, go. Oh God. Oh my good God. You've broken it. Oh no. Oh, I bet that's the bottom hinge pin placed again.
Yeah, I'd say so. Our top one.
Oh, it's a knuckle. Game over. That's why we don't run 6S in the Hyper SC. Do you reckon mine will self-right?
I don't know, it's going to be close, isn't it?
No. It's unusable. Ready? It's just not usable. It's just wheelie at any speed. It's like any speed it wheelies on demand. Look, quarter throttle. Oh, it's just, it's not usable. Oh, let's try and air it out. Oh my good God. And it's ripped the body shell off. It backflips alright. So on 3S it didn't backflip at all. On 6S, try and count how many backflips it does. Oh no, the body came off. Alright, hold on. Got to do a bit of bodywork repairs. Uh-oh. Look, broke the shock tower. Oh, do RPM make a shock tower?
Yeah, I think they do.
Lost the body clips. Alright, we'll just bodge that back on and then we'll try and backflip it again. Oh no! And killed another front shaft.
Oh.
Oh look. Alright, do you know what guys? I'm not going to even bother trying to fix it again. I'm just going to let it have it. Right, off of here, flat out. Did you see that? It landed and just got extra grip.
The body shell stays level when it wheelies.
Yeah. Self-righting body shell.
It acts a bit like a sail. Uh-oh.
Where's it going?
What happened?
It's going to run away.
Why is it when you don't care anymore, it just won't die anymore? Oh, it's gone slow.
Uh-oh. That might be a bit hot.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So I think we've established it needs a better rear shock tower. We're going to try the RPM one and...
Oh, new tyre?
Oh! Oh no! Brand new tyre. Yeah, new tyres. They're not rated for 6S. Oh! Oh!
Oh, that'd do it, yeah.
Wasn't that what you said?
Yeah. I'll stop it overheating, I don't want to touch that. Does it hiss if you touch the engine? Like the motor? With your finger?
Alright guys, 6S on this thing's over the top. Look, it's melted that off. Oh, stinks!
That's about hot.
Oh, smell that.
Oh. Oh yeah, it smells really hot.
Oh, hopefully I haven't... Oh, it's lost all the compression.
Oh.
Just before we go home, a little bit of amp action. What else are we running on this?
3.
Nail it!
Oh, battery's dead.
Ah.
That is nailed.
Ah.